Welcome back. Well, this is more of an update than anything else. Had some issues, so I'm not really getting a video out or a project video out this week. You can see over here, I've had to rebuild the doors in my shop, mainly to have the temperature in here more efficiently and effectively controlled. The air gaps from the old doors were just too great. They were built out of 2x2s and had 1 inch of air gap and whatnot. And if you saw my video last week, you saw the fiasco from that, where I had temperature issues, not letting the glue cure, and also it's affecting my resin as well. So I wanted to get that taken care of. I do have a giveaway project on the lathe. This is going to be a cheese board, a covered cheese board. I've got a glass dome for it, and I'm going to put some feet on it. So I've been working on the doors, get that taken care of. I've still got to put the hardware in, got a little bit of trimming to do, but those will be done relatively soon. All of this had to come to a halt though, because yep, I injured my thumb. Stupid me. Pretty much ground part of the end of it off. Angle grinder got me again. So thanks for sticking with me. I appreciate it. Y'all come back. I promise I'll have a project video out real soon. Y'all come back.